How often should I take this medicine?
Take it once a day with food.
What's the best remedy for a headache?
Drink plenty of water and rest.
Can I exercise while on this treatment?
Light exercise is fine, but consult if strenuous.
Any dietary restrictions with this medication?
Avoid grapefruit. Rest is usual diet.
What's my blood pressure reading?
It's 120/80, which is normal.
How can I boost my immune system?
Eat a balanced diet and get enough sleep.
Is it okay to drink alcohol with these pills?
Limit alcohol intake. Moderation is key.
What's the cause of my persistent cough?
Possible reasons. Let's run some tests.
How can I manage stress more effectively?
Try deep breathing exercises and relaxation techniques.
Are there natural remedies for sleep issues?
Consider chamomile tea and a bedtime routine.
Can you recommend a good over-the-counter pain reliever?
Ibuprofen is a common choice for pain relief.
What's the proper way to clean a wound?
Clean with mild soap, apply antiseptic, and cover.
Are headaches a side effect of my medication?
It's possible. Monitor and inform me.
How do I know if I'm allergic to a new medication?
Watch for rash, swelling, or difficulty breathing.
Should I take this medicine before or after meals?
Take it after meals for better absorption.
Can I continue my regular exercise routine?
Yes, unless experiencing discomfort, listen to your body.
Are there alternatives to surgery for my condition?
Let's explore non-surgical options first.
What's the recommended daily water intake?
Aim for at least 8 glasses per day.
Any advice for dealing with seasonal allergies?
Antihistamines can help alleviate symptoms.
How can I improve my cholesterol levels?
Exercise regularly and adopt a heart-healthy diet.
Can stress affect my blood pressure?
Yes, manage stress for overall health.
What's the best way to quit smoking?
Consider nicotine replacement therapy and counseling.
Should I be concerned about this persistent rash?
Let's examine the rash. It could be an allergic reaction.
Can I get the flu shot while on antibiotics?
Yes, flu shots are usually safe with antibiotics.
How long should I take this antibiotic?
Complete the full course as prescribed.
Any exercises to strengthen my back?
Core exercises like planks are beneficial.
Is it normal to feel dizzy after taking this medicine?
Some dizziness is common. Monitor and inform me.
How can I improve my digestion?
Eat slowly and include fiber-rich foods.
Can I take pain relievers for my fever?
Yes, acetaminophen is a suitable choice.
Are there lifestyle changes to lower blood sugar?
Exercise regularly and maintain a balanced diet.
Is it safe to mix herbal supplements with my prescription?
Always check with me before combining.
What's the cause of my sudden weight loss?
Let's investigate potential underlying issues.
Any advice for preventing the common cold?
Wash hands frequently and avoid close contact.
Can I take this medication during pregnancy?
Consult me before taking any medication while pregnant.
How can I manage chronic pain without opioids?
Physical therapy and non-opioid medications are options.
Are there exercises for joint flexibility?
Gentle stretches can improve joint flexibility.
Can I drink alcohol while on this antibiotic?
It's best to avoid alcohol during antibiotic treatment.
How often should I check my blood pressure at home?
Check it regularly, especially if on medication.
Can I stop taking my medication if I feel better?
Follow the prescribed course, don't stop abruptly.
Are there foods to avoid with high blood pressure?
Limit salt intake and focus on a heart-healthy diet.
What's the proper way to use an inhaler?
Inhale deeply when using the inhaler.
Can I exercise with arthritis?
Low-impact exercises like swimming are beneficial.
Is it normal to feel anxious before a procedure?
Yes, it's common. We can discuss ways to manage anxiety.
How often should I have a dental checkup?
Schedule a dental checkup at least twice a year.
Can stress trigger migraines?
Yes, stress can be a migraine trigger.
Should I be concerned about irregular periods?
Let's discuss any significant changes.
What's the recommended amount of sleep for adults?
Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night.
Can I take over-the-counter cold medicine with my prescription?
Check with me first to avoid interactions.
How can I prevent muscle cramps during exercise?
Stay hydrated and stretch before exercising.
Can I take my medicine with water?
Yes, water is fine for most medications.
How can I ease muscle soreness?
Apply ice or a warm compress.
Is it normal to feel cold after surgery?
Yes, it's a common post-surgery sensation.
Can I take this medicine on an empty stomach?
Yes, unless stated otherwise.
How do I know if a cut needs stitches?
Deep cuts may need stitches. Seek medical attention.
Can I drink alcohol with this cough syrup?
Best to avoid alcohol while taking medication.
Is it okay to mix different medications?
Check with me to avoid interactions.
How can I stop a nosebleed quickly?
Pinch the nostrils and lean forward.
Can I eat right after getting a filling?
Wait until the anesthesia wears off.
What's the best way to calm anxiety?
Deep breathing exercises can help.
Can I use a heating pad for period cramps?
Yes, heat can provide relief.
Is it normal to bruise easily?
It varies. Monitor any unusual bruising.
How can I improve my digestion?
Chew food slowly and avoid overeating.
Can I take my medication with juice?
Check for specific interactions.
Should I worry about a single missed dose?
Inform me, but don't double the next dose.
Is it safe to use expired medicine?
Avoid using expired medications, replace them.
How can I treat a minor burn at home?
Cool the burn with cold water and cover.
Can I exercise with a mild fever?
Rest is better during illness.
How long does the flu shot last?
Protection lasts about 6 months.
Can I take my medication with yogurt?
Check with me, some may interact.
What's the best remedy for a cold?
Rest, stay hydrated, and over-the-counter meds.
How can I prevent diaper rash in babies?
Change diapers promptly and use a barrier cream.
Is it okay to skip breakfast occasionally?
Occasional skips are okay, balance is key.
Can I take my medication with milk?
Check for any interactions. Water is safer.
How often should I replace my toothbrush?
Every 3 to 4 months is ideal.
Is it normal to feel tired after vaccination?
Yes, fatigue is a common post-vaccination symptom.
Can I take my medication with a snack?
Yes, a light snack is fine.
What's the best way to ease a sunburn?
Apply aloe vera or a cool compress.
Can I use aloe vera for minor cuts?
Yes, aloe vera has healing properties.
How can I prevent ingrown toenails?
Trim nails straight across and avoid tight shoes.
Is it okay to exercise during pregnancy?
Yes, with modifications, consult me.
Can I take my medicine with orange juice?
Check for interactions. Water is safer.
What's the best way to ease a headache?
Rest in a quiet, dark room.
Can I take vitamins with my antibiotics?
Space them apart. Take vitamins a few hours after antibiotics.
How can I stop hiccups quickly?
Holding your breath for a moment can help.
Can I take my medication with tea?
Check with me for specific guidelines.
Is it normal to feel thirsty after eating salty foods?
Yes, it's a common reaction. Drink water.
Can I use a cold compress for a swollen ankle?
Yes, cold compresses can reduce swelling.
How can I prevent motion sickness while traveling?
Focus on a fixed point and avoid heavy meals.
Can I take my medication before bedtime?
Yes, unless directed otherwise.
What's the best way to treat a minor burn?
Cool with water and cover with a clean cloth.
Can I exercise with a mild cold?
Light exercise is okay if you feel up to it.
How can I relieve a mosquito bite?
Apply anti-itch cream or a cold compress.
Can I take my medication with apple juice?
Check with me for compatibility.
What's the best way to soothe a sore throat?
Drink warm tea with honey.
Can I use a heating pad for back pain?
Yes, heat can help alleviate back pain.
Is it okay to mix different medications?
Check with me to avoid interactions.
How can I stop a nosebleed quickly?
Pinch the nostrils and lean forward.
Can I eat right after getting a filling?
Wait until the anesthesia wears off.
What's the best way to calm anxiety?
Deep breathing exercises can help.